Hi, I am Moon. In this video, I have a new aquarium tank to set up, and this will be a shrimp tank. So let's do it. Let's go! First, I put up 3 kilograms of aquasol into 5-gallon tank. And then after that, I spread the aquarium soil evenly according to the surface or landscape that I decide. Well, that is good. This look nice. And here, I boiled the driftwood that I choose. And this driftwood is from Ryan's Guppy. There's some question. Why we need to boil the driftwood like this? And what is the purpose of it? And I have some specific reasons why boiling driftwood in fish keeping is so very important. So, let's find out. In fish keeping, why we need to boil the driftwood, the main purpose is to remove any harmful substances of impurities that may be present in the wood. Boiling helps to sterilize the driftwood, making it safe to use into our aquarium, like removal of tannins, elimination of bacteria and also the parasite, softening and sinking, and lastly, preparing the wood for aquatic life. After boiling it for 30 minutes, we proceed now to make a hardscape. So, let's hurry up!